creating a journey for your audience really the best thing you can do? And it really comes down to this quote that I absolutely love. It says, "The road in life has twists and turns, and no two directions are ever the same, but our lessons come from the journey, not the destination." And this quote, it's so amazing because it really talks about life, but this quote has a direct relationship to email marketing. And I love that it talks about finding your purpose and all these other things, but it's really not about the destination. It's really by everything that you do before you get to the destination. It's about life, and it's really measured by the moments that you experience, right, in this journey. So it's the same thing with email, interestingly enough, and here's why. Because email is a process. It's a funnel that doesn't have an end. So how do you create this process or this journey with your audience in order to connect, in order to be on the same page with them? Well, one way is by segmenting your audience and sending them personalized messages based on whatever it is that they're experiencing. So it really is based on categories where they are in their journey. So for example, beginner, somebody more advanced, somebody even more advanced, you can do that. Or you can also categorize based on different categories. For example, in my case, because I work with coaches, consultants, and experts, I can categorize my emails based on that. The main idea is to send them specific information about them and to personalize it, okay? The second thing is automations. So when you're taking somebody through an automation, if they click on something on your link, you're really personalizing the experience because they have expressed interest to get information about that specific email that you've sent. And you're personalizing their journey and allowing them to really help you and make this a communication. And then the last thing is really a two-way communication, which is something that I was just referring to. Because if you establish surveys and you establish people to be able to reply to some of your emails, you're inviting them to communicate with you. And this allows you to have that two-way communication and get to know them better and connect in a different level. So I hope this helps to put the customer journey in perspective. If you need any help with email marketing, let me know. I'd love to help you. I'm Miri Lenov, and I will see you next time in one of these videos. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.